Welcome to More IFC. Here is what it is. Just look how this beautiful half elastic waistband. There's a calculation to go about this. I'm going to give you all the calculation, the tips that you need in achieving this beautiful half elastic waistband. Like I said, there's a calculation that I'm going to give you, the perfect calculation that you can use it to any elastic that you want to do. Any elastic that you want, any half elastic waistband you want to do. So let's get started. My waist is going to be 1.5 inch, and my elastic also is 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches, you can see. So I'll come and mark 3.5. Why 3.5? The reason is that I'll tell you, it's more IFC. It is what it is. So I'm going to mark 3.5 here. Then I mark from that line that you see. I'm going to mark 3. This is a palazzo trouser. So elastic, I'm using 1.5. So you're going to fold 1.5 into 2. That will give you 3 inches, and a 1/2 inch will be the joining part. You know, the fabric need to cover the elastic, and the elastic is 1.5. So if your waistband you're going to do 2 inches, then you have to measure 4.5. Mine is 1.5, so I'm measuring 3.5, so that 1.5 will be on the fabric, and then 1.5 will cover, and 1/2 will be the sewing part. So let's come to this calculation. You need your waist measurement and your hip measurement. So let's say your waist measurement is 28 and your hip measurement is 38. We're going to divide your waist measurement into 2. That is your actual waist measurement into 2, and that will give us 14. Use your own waist measurement. And the hip. So right now we're going to deduct your waist measurement from your hip measurement. We are going to deduct your waist measurement, half of your waist measurement from your hip measurement. I hope you understand. We're going to deduct half of your waist measurement from the hip measurement. Remember, the hip, you have not divided it with anything. We just deducted your half waist from your hip measurement. So whatever you get, that will be the back of it. So this 24 will be the back where the elastic is going to be, and the 14 will be the front. That's half of your waist. So this is 3.5. We are using half of your waist. This is 3.5. You add 1 inch to it. As you can see, this is a palazzo. So I'm going to divide the fusing into 2 to get the actual right side of it. If you look at the palazzo, one is longer than the other. So that will be, this one will be the front, and that will be the back. So I'm going to flip it over to deal with the right side, the front. So you divide it into 2. The middle one, you make sure it falls exactly at the seam where the line is. Leave 1/2 inch at the top. Remember, we measure 3.5, so you have to leave 1 inch, 1/2 inch at the top. Then you iron it. It's More IFC. Tell a friend about More IFC, and please do subscribe, like, and share, and comment. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe, like, share, and comment. You fold 1/2 inch at the top. You make sure you can go around it. You fold 1/2 inch around it also. When you want to do the top stitch, it's going to be easy for you, or you can just do this part only, and after that you just have to fold 2 inches around. This is a palazzo. So this will give you 1.5, exactly 1.5. can see how beautiful it is. So I'm going to start folding. Like I said, you can fold 1/2 inch throughout. If you didn't do that, you can start folding 2 inches here. So after putting your elastic, then you'll be folding 1/2 inch while doing it. So you're going to be something like this. Your elastic, that will be 1/2 of your waist. You minus 1 inch from it, or 1.5 inch from it. 1/2 of your waist, you minus 1 inch from it, or 1.5 inch from it, from the elastic. So we're going to open this side, then you put it on the fusing like that. You can pin it, or you can top stitch it only once. After that, you come back with, check everything is right, then you double top stitch it as well. So you just have to top stitch it that place once. Then you do the same thing to the other side. You make sure you check they are straight. It shouldn't be no curve, shouldn't be no turning. Make sure that whilst you are going to join this part, you make sure you check how the elastic gonna fall. Otherwise you're gonna turn it and there will be like a cross over there. So you make sure you check that one as well. So we're gonna do top stitch over here. Like I said, you can pin it also and check and see. To hold the elastic, we will come back to that later, and we double stitch that part. We're going to double stitch that part to hold it down. So we look for the middle. So you match that one to the back seam. You match that one with the back seam, then you pin it. Please do give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like, and share. Click on the notification bell. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays, so do well and click on notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You make sure whilst you are doing this part, you make sure that your elastic is laying flat. Make sure your elastic is laying flat. You understand? Don't stress yourself here. Take your time and do this part. You just have to make sure that the elastic is laying flat. You can see I'm now folding the 1/2 inch that I left, then I'll sew on top. Just like that, just a simple, easy, don't rush. So if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays, so do well and click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you will be updated. So we come to the other side from the start where we join the elastic. We're going to top stitch it to hold it down firmly. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. To hold it, remember we just did only one, we top stitch only one, so we just have to double top stitch at that part. You can see, so this part is option. You can do it or you can stop. We're going to sew through, we're going to sew a straight line in between, so you have to stretch it this way, stretch it, then you sew straight line in between. See, so it's option. You can do that, you can stop to do it. I did it, you can see. Just have to sew a straight line, stretch it while sewing it. Then see how beautiful it is, more IFC. Please do want to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Ask questions if you have any design that you have fumbled with it, you don't know what to do. Just link it up on my Facebook or my Instagram or my WhatsApp, and you tell me your problem. Now I'll help you out. It is what it is, you're helping each other. You can see how beautiful it is. So do want to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. It's more IFC. It is what it is.